Hi, this is the Western Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
My brother, mokili moteng.
Yeah.
Inka wari kitene ka mole baleng.
Yeah.
Nokuto utwa butlu ka re bolo na ipaletse.
Yeah.
Saka ku bukela fela.
Yeah.
Kile wa bafana ba ka ba mfile draw. But I'm not enough.
You're not here.
Yeah, because he draw lose.
Yeah.
Kutoko mrao.
Yeah.
Ere narinya ka ya ko pile. Re need 3 points.
Yeah.
Unfortunately re krile 4 points. Re tshwara ka matso a mabedi.
Yeah.
Lebelane next game. Auna fapane irritating from TP Mazembe until Kacheko. Akishobona the exchange.
They create two. I want.
I think I'm so clear. It's about 10 games win, no draw, no lose.
Yeah.
King Toki Person.
Yeah.
Like more.
Kissing the draw.
More careful.
Yeah.
More careful. Kinyaga win draw. One jawutaka. One chara. Kuna one chara perform.
Yeah.
We are Karina. It's somewhere Lamurao.
Yeah.
Because I'm defending champions. DSTV Premier Soccer League, Babisi Bonge.
Yeah.
But I want DSTV.
10 games.
10 games. No lose.
Yeah.
30 points.
Yeah.
What can I do? I'm happy.
Yeah.
And Rulani.
Yeah.
Rulani. You don't stop it for supporters.
Yeah.
You're checking the player what you play.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
You check the supporter. You confuse. You looking down, you passing down, you confuse my player.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like Rulani.
Yeah.
Rulani must check the player, don't check the supporter.
Yeah, I must check the player.
Asabula leave supporter because don't confuse.
Not confused.
Opportunity high.
Yeah.
Mara confusing nasi.
Yeah.
One chara.
No, thank you very much. Let's hope next time we go win.
Awa kira wafanti kamuga kaufela wateng.
Tada.
Ungol la kafela.
Yeah.
Abana goal.
Tada. Ciao ciao.